Test, test. We are back. And I didn't know GameStop and AMC were dropping, guys. I open my broker. I see this. It's painful, man. It's painful, and I'm with you guys. I'm losing. I'm losing. I am down on the day close to 5K. What just went red? Tesla. Tesla's pulling back too. How's the overall market? Rob hold me. And you know what's not making this better? The fact that YouTube just shadow banned our channel, guys. YouTube shadow banned us. I do not like that. It's like we're being freaking held back everywhere, guys. And YouTube's trying to play like they don't know that we know. They're trying to say that it's you guys. Yeah, at this point I'm numb to these drops. They finally alerted you I was on. I guess because I called them. We called them out. Shadow ban is like you guys can still see my lives. You can still see the videos, but for some reason it's so hard for you guys to get notifications. Even on your sub box, you know how you have the subscription feed where it shows you the videos. Live videos are supposed to be on top, and mines are not there. You literally have to dig through the channel to find it and click look up my name, go to the channel and find it. All right, and we said earlier, we're trying to find that support, but looks like we haven't found that support yet. Under SMA on GameStop here at 130. We're back at the early March levels on AMC. Let's take a quick look. This is an AMC. What am I doing? Looks like we got rejected off EMA. Now we're testing 9. Slightly under the SMA. Yeah, Eric, you weren't able to find me. Yep. Welcome to the shadow ban. I don't know what YouTube is thinking. Me Kevin is shadow banning. Why me Kevin? Why him? I like me Kevin. Your videos usually show when you're live, but how to go under my subscribe window. Look at this on the 1 minute. Look how it drops out of nowhere. Even at the same time, GameStop did. Yeah, I love me Kevin. It would help if you guys dropped a like. That's all that can really help the algorithm now and help people get notified on the video and the algorithm. That's all it is. I would appreciate that. Background noise, like Kramer. Even this morning we had struggle with that, and I'm still waiting for YouTube to get back to my emails. Yeah, no more playing background music too. I think that's what it is. If you guys don't know, yesterday for the you know how we were streaming the earnings call for GameStop and they had that elevator, that music, they had the classical music. We got 6 copyrights on that. I think that's why that might have triggered an alert on the YouTube algorithm or something. I don't know. It is still pulling back. We're not seeing that bounce. We're seeing some support here at 922, but GameStop, I'm not convinced that there is still support. We're literally free falling here at this point. Guys, there's a lot of DD I'm gonna do about the OTC. Have you guys seen that? Joshua on Twitter, the what's it called? Let me see. Let me pull this up. Pull up my little notes. He's gonna be on Trey's podcast or YouTube channel as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Go sub to Trey. And with the whole dark pools going on, yeah, it was a copyright by Sony. Sony. Guys, there is on Fintel. I know we call it fake tail. There is 0 short shares available on Fintel. On Fintel. Keep in mind it does not account for dark pools and it is a small sample, but it is showing 0 available. We have not seen 0 available in a while. The last time we saw 0 available, Gamestop took off. The music isn't copyrighted on classical, but the orchestra performing. I think that's what it is. Look, I'll pull up the Fintel really quick. For some reason, every time I pull up Fintel, it takes forever to load. Here we go. Guys, look, 0. 0. Keep in mind, it says dark pool or other brokers. And 50% of the volume for AMC was coming through dark pools today. According to Market Chameleon. I forgot what the website was, but I'll link. I'm going to have a video out later on. I don't know what you mean by that, Kevin. How many copyrights can someone get? I don't know. Hopefully, I don't want to know. Because I think after 3 copyrights, you get your channel gets taken down. I have like 12 already. And most of them come from Roaring Kitty's tweets. I don't know where the SEC's at. I don't know where the DTCC comes into kick as well. We're still waiting. iBartist is literally the same data as Fintel. Keep that in mind. They always represent and show the same numbers. For AMC, it's different. It's showing like a million. Where's it at? It's showing like 1.1 million. 130.69 low, 1.9 million. But the fee, keep an eye at the fee. The fee has gone up. The fee has slowly but surely gone up. 4.29. It was at what? Max 16. But we really don't know the fee. Did Ralph did report himself to YouTube for apes destroying the like button? Even GameStop themselves on their 10K filing that was put out yesterday on page 15 and 14, I believe it says towards the bottom that there's a lot of numbers out there floating that are not true. So you really don't know what to trust. Let me see, where's it at? All right, we're seeing a slight spike here on AMC. You guys kind of see this forming here. What do you guys see? Almost like a head and shoulders pattern. That's why I'm still expecting a bounce. We are still expecting a bounce. It's only a matter of time. And these decimal points here are not us. There's a lot of unknown institutions just playing with this right now. Look at these trades, 132.0235. That's not retail, 100%. Can you bring up Tesla really quick? Oh, we're even down on Tesla too. Literally, it dropped 40 points. We should be down like 400 on Tesla right now. Literally everything just taking a big dump. Nasdaq, dumping. SPY, it's going red. Freaking Powell. That too, back and forth trading. Look at that wall at the. Let me move this really quick because I know the activate windows is kind of covering it. There we go. I left and this is what happened. Oh, we seriously need Tom Brady. Tom Brady needs to come through and push us back to 150s on GameStop and back to 10 on AMC. I agree. It's been constant bouncing back and forth between the bid. I hate how that bid is just so tight. I don't know how longer they can keep doing this. So it's really frustrating, guys, but we remain hopeful. We stay positive, baby. Liquidating. Let's pull up Twitter. Let's see if we have any important tweets. Yeah, it's easy to hold on the way up. Galactic Finance. There's a screenshot I saw for the institutional ownership for GameStop. It was at 200%. How is that even possible? Did you see the tweet from Josh from Citadel about Citadel having 1 billion AMC shares in dark pools? But I don't understand how you're able to see that. You're not supposed to see dark pools. We're not supposed to know the amount. I don't know how he's getting that. Can you send me that? That's why it's called dark pool for a reason. I'm gonna get some water, guys. I'll be back. Hold on. Spacesuit pump. You guys want the spacesuit pump? That looks like we need the spacesuit pump, man. This drop does not make sense to me. It does not sit right with my head. The majority of us are holding. I'll check my Discord. I'll plug in the Discord. If you guys have any documents, any tweets, information you guys want to send me, I'll plug in the Discord. It just pisses me off. See this file like this. I'll plug in the Discord. You guys can send that in there. Watch Kramer's interview about CNBC. I think I saw about GameStop. Didn't he say that the best thing these shorts can do is just close their positions? Liquidate, bye-bye? Is that what he said, or is that an old one? Okay, I'm gonna get water. I'll be back. I have the screenshot. Josh tweeted the screenshot. I slipped and fell and found these dark pool shares. How does he find this Citadel? Trade updated March 1st. This is so sketch. This is really sketch. AMC. Trades 3 million. Guess who traded 1 billion AMC dark pool? Step right up and grab your that's exactly what this is my question right here. Renzel. I believe Renzel's from Reddit, right? Renzel sounds familiar. Where can we double check this? I'm curious to where he found this. If this guy is just trolling and photoshopping and whatnot, that'll suck. Because this guy came out of nowhere today with the OTC news. So I'm with him. Where can I check this? Where can I find this? Because to my knowledge, dark pools are not supposed to be known or documented they're not supposed to know who and what size. So that's why I don't know. See, he continues to say the exact same thing. I thought dark pools were inaccessible to the public. That's what I'm thinking. We're not supposed to know. I don't know. I'm kind of sus. I don't know if this is valid. Warren Kitty tweet. Brenzel's from GameStop, right? I have the same questions as him. Same exact. Yeah, this guy is really trolling, man. I don't think he is though. I don't think he'd really. I mean, I can't find Warren Kitty. He tweeted a cat. Check my Discord, okay? Okay, I'm checking Discord right now. Okay, yeah, I pulled up Market Chameleon earlier. Yeah, I have it. It has the 52% right, 52%. Okay, dark pool trades reported for AMC have accounted for 52% of the total volume today. Over the past 20 days, the average dark pool volume has been 54%. Total volume in the dark pool is 29 million. Yeah, Mark, I believe, sent this earlier in the morning. Is that what you're talking about? Market Chameleon? The pieces are really coming together. My smooth brain. Where'd the YouTube go? Where'd you guys go? Oh, there you guys are. I have never heard of dark pools being known. Me neither. Dark pool is what? Dark pool is like a different exchange. Apart from what we trade, that's what it's called dark pool because we're not supposed to know who is selling. It's usually institutions, hedgies that have big chunks of who knows how much the size, how much they're trading, and they don't know who else they're selling to. So that's why towards the end of the day on the times and sales, we see these huge orders come through. That's done to not disrupt the market, to not cause crazy volatility. That's all it is. They're legal. They are legal, but they're being abused right now. Anybody wanna add any more on that? On Deadpool? I mean Deadpool. You guys have me confused. Darkpool. Darkpool. And I don't think it's regulated. OTCs aren't regulated either. And we don't have access to dark pools, guys. That's why I'm confused to how this guy found this info. That's what leads me to believe I'm a little skeptical. And yesterday after hours, if you guys noticed, there was some huge blocks on the volume, like 9 million for AMC. Oh, we've just been getting rejected, guys, on GameStop at the EMA. It's not pushing above. We haven't seen a bounce yet, like AMC is slightly holding here at 932. The FINRA does make the dark pool data available. I did some research, guys. If you go on FINRA, it's the it has the it's pulling back the date, the symbol, the short volume, the short exempt volume, and the total volume. And the short volume does match what Fintel is showing, which is like 14 million. And the short exempt volume is 1.1 million. And for the short exempt, they're basically shorting this and disregarding the SSR, the short sale rule or restriction. I don't know how any of this is legal. That's why I believe we're dropping. The bar rate, yes, Justin, the bar rate is slowly climbing as well. And there are freaking 0 short shares available on GameStop. Everything is just coming together. It makes sense. It's making sense. Down 30% today on GameStop. Balance, baby. Tom Brady, where are you at? Loopholes, yeah. It's still pulling back, guys. It isn't legal. Only short exempt is granted to market makers to aid in liquidity. Citadel is registered market maker. That's a good point. That is true. That is true. That is true. So many thoughts are flying through my freaking smooth brain. I'm gonna save this. Yeah, it's all rigged, man. But I refuse to lose. Not losing. We are not losing. I love you too. Yeah, I'm not selling. I'm not selling, guys. We're down 5K now on the day. It looks like we found some support here at 926, but again, we still have 24 minutes. Let's check Discord. Okay. All right, Kramer on CNBC. Let's hear it. You guys want to hear Kramer? It's 3 minutes. You guys want to hear Kramer? Let me know. It's 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I appreciate that, guys. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out this whole YouTube censoring crap that's going on, but I don't know. I borrowed this. Let's take a look. They are laughing at us on StockTwits. I don't use StockTwits. StockTwits is there's just too many trolls on there. You guys want to hear it? Okay. If you guys are enjoying the stream and you guys can help me out tremendously, all we ask for is to drop in a like button. That really helps out the channel. Smash that like button. Tell YouTube we ain't going anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna pull this up really quick. Give me 1 second. I'm still trying to figure out how this Josh guy. Okay, he tweeted again. Look, LOL. I'm not even sure what I found yet. Literally could be nothing. I'm still trying to figure it out. Oh my gosh, this guy. But this is a direct link to the FINRA dark pool data where you can look up tickers. It's tough to navigate. OTC transparency. Let's take a look. He deleted his tweet. He deleted the original tweet, I think. Yep, he took up the tweet, guys. He deleted the tweet that showed Citadel at 1 billion shares. I kind of had a feeling this guy was trolling. Or I don't know where he got that from. I don't know who this Josh guy is. Alright, I'm going to play the clip. He deleted it. Please bounce. Oops. Give me 1 second. Playing it right now.
Those things breed diseases. Yeah, that again.
Not that.
Good Girls, Sundays on NBC.
Because I want to
leave us
gears.
time to talk about SPACs in a bit. But let's talk about GameStop. It's down 11%. Reported earnings. What I found so interesting is some of the research, the analysts. It just fascinates me watching them try to sort of make sense of it all. And I'll share with you, we put together quickly here two different excerpts from two different reports, one from Jefferies and one from Wedbush. So here's Wedbush. Our new price target is based upon a 20 times PE multiple applied to our newly initiated 23 estimate, plus an estimated roughly $4 per share in net cash by the end of first quarter 21. So their price target actually goes from 29 to 16. And they point out, by the way, that,
16 to 29.
Yeah. No. 29 to, sorry.
We're raising our 12-month price target to 29 to 16.
Right. They downgrade the stock and raise the price target. Thank you for
David,
correcting.
the stock is at 16. Oh, no, it's at 160.
Yeah. They say, listen, the fundamentals, we believe investors expecting a financial return.
Give me 1 second, guys. I think this also might be copyrighted if I play it all, of course. So let me just pause it really quick. And I'll play it right now. Or just skip it like a couple seconds.
Are prepared to pay in the open market. That price vastly exceeds the fundamental value we believe investors can expect. But at the same time, Jim, you got Jefferies this morning just totally revamping the way they value the company. We're pivoting, they say. We're pivoting to a sales multiple. So we assume e-commerce grows at 50% of 2020 store sales transfer, applying a 20% discount. Sorry about the typo there. We were moving fast here to digital peers in the 4 to 5 range. 3.4 times we get to 175.
I know.
I mean, what are you supposed to do with this stuff?
Well, okay, so I tried to read it without the call, without the context of the stock. And they're doing so many things right. Listen up, Web, WSB, Reddit, meme people. They did a lot of good stuff. They've moved aggressively into e-com. They did a really good job. It's obvious that that Ryan Cohen is the savior. 29% of sales. That's up 191% for e-com. They cut cut the expenses. They're closing the stores that aren't working. Of course, that's called de-densifying, David. I love that new term.
De-densifying.
De-densify. Learn a new term every day.
Our comp store sales are down 9.5%. We're de-densifying. Okay.
Right. And Jenna Owens, hey, David, a pickup from Amazon and Alphabet. So everything here is positive, and I can see why people shouldn't have shorted it at 15 bucks.
I love you, Kramer. Jamer, baby. All right, I got to pause it really quick. Give me a second. Make sure I don't get copyright again.
Yes, you can see why. Listen, it's been up here for a long time. Now, Jim, what about the potential for an equity offering?
Well, they did say, listen, they could do at the money or they could do an equity offering.
Yeah.
They at least put it out
At the
there.
market, yeah.
Kurt Wolf, a strategic planner, he did an equity offering of his common stock in January. A lot of it, now he said, a lot of people say, well, listen, it's just a fraction. But he did raise, I don't know, he did substantial number of shares.
Took
there,
advantage of
$21
it,
million
right?
worth.
Yeah.
Right when he had seen the half of the January numbers, and I think he just felt, well, look at 90. You could say he's a dope. He sold some at 31 on January 13th. He looked at the numbers, and I think 31 is. He probably got to 31, and I think he was going to remember the strategic plan. He thought 31 was high.
He did, I know. Well, listen, this analyst at Wedbush says it's important to note since George Sherman arrived as CEO in mid-2019, the company's net losses have exceeded $200 million.
Right.
So the financial engineering accomplished during Sherman's tenure is a testament to his leadership and to the acumen as well of the departing CFO, Jim Bell.
Shepard Smith.
There we go. Josh's finding. It's on Wall Street Bets Facebook. Wall Street Bets Facebook? No, they had a Facebook. I'm going to send the Discord link, guys. If you guys have any info, data you want to throw around and share, go ahead and plug that in the Discord so I could find it. I don't think you guys are allowed to send links here. Tramicia, thank you for the dono. Matt, thank you for the dono. The only vibes I'm getting from selling pressure is how scared the hedgies are and how hard their backs are pressed against the wall. Let's go. I know it's painful. It's painful to see these stocks drop. 9. We're testing 9. Look at that bid. Huge bid stacked at 9. Massive bid. You guys see this here at 9? These pullbacks don't sit right with me. Fintel, any updates? Fintel is showing 0 short shares available for GameStop. Let's see any updates from this. Jordan Belfort tweeted the lemon, which is the Citadel logo, right? The lemon or Citron? Citron. Tom Brady time. Yep, we're headed into fourth quarter. That bid is stacked at 9. I don't think we'll break under 9. Let's see. There's that. Come on, we need a rebound. Tom Brady come through. That's a crazy massive bid. Josh's Twitter. Jeffries raising its GME price target to 175 today from $10 while keeping a hold. Rating smells awful. There's supposed to be a huge Chinese wall between research and banking, but it doesn't seem like this. Gary guy is shilling on Twitter. Mr. Tesla guy now down 30% on speculation and upside at the moment. I thought it was a shelf offering. Is this the Pixel guy, Josh? Is it him? It cracked 9? Are you kidding me? That wall just broke really quick. I can't believe it. Someone up 30,000 at 9. No Powell tomorrow. Thankfully. They set up fake bid walls and pull the rug out. Yeah, these market makers are literally just toying with us, guys. 899.9. Look at that. Now the wall's at 9. It went from the support being at 9 to the wall being at 9. Now they're going to let us struggle to not pass 9. Look at this. This is crazy. OTC transparency. Let me look that up really quick. All information on this website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only and subject to change without notice. This information is based on fan or blah blah blah. Agree. Let's see. AMC, where are you at? Where are you at? Search symbol. AMC. Give me this. Give me this. It's not popping up. Guys, Robert, the AMC is not showing up. Check my Gmail. Okay. Oh, I appreciate that. Yeah, that's the same link Rob sent. It's the same link, but I can't. It says issue symbol. I'm typing AMC and nothing's coming up. It's like AMC doesn't exist here. It's not even in alphabetical order, is it? Oh, yeah, it is. It's only showing AMD. Where's AMC? There's AMCR. How about Gamestop? Let me see. GME. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Google. Okay, there we go. Top right. No, same thing. All right, monthly. Let's see. There we go. Okay, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. KS. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's here. It's here. It's not Photoshop. It's legit. It's legit. OTC, eh? There's no way. I just got goosebumps down my body. Holy There's no way. I'm seeing this with my own eyes right now. Straight from FINRA. That's updated March 1st. That's updated March 1st. What? How about GameStop? Citadel, it's back. Citadel's back. FINRA is lying. That's more than double the AMC outstanding shares. How is this even possible? I can't believe this. This is March 1st, though. I'm trying to put two and two together, guys. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think. 'Screenshot it. I don't think it's gonna get taken down. And if it does, we have this stream. Guys, I'm trying to think. This is over the counter. And what Josh came out saying was that this was heavily shorted over the counter. And via dark pools. Let's see. It doesn't come up with the weekly, guys. Look at this. %100 dark pools. I'll send you the link, yeah. There we go. But what I don't understand is how they're able to trade over the counter. I don't understand that. That's way beyond me. Fourth quarter, it's coming. 5 minutes left. March 1st. Oh my gosh, NASDAQ, everything's selling off, guys. This guy's you're ignorant. Understand that? Trash ass channel and host. AMC is dead. Everything is literally closing near the lows. Everything. If you guys are enjoying this and find value in this, I would appreciate a like. That's all we ask for. What kind of channel is this? I'm not selling. We got 2 minutes. OTC. OTC is over the counter. It's a different exchange where the crappy companies are. The companies that don't make the requirements to be listed, NYC, NASDAQ, they don't make the requirements, so they're there over the counter. Yeah, I don't know what happened. We got a lot of trolls just coming out of nowhere. There's a lot of info coming out of nowhere. It came out of nowhere. Jennifer, last March, February 27 was like that first day we had the spike correct itself. February 27 and then mid-March. I believe it was like March 15. All right, here we go. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Who's holding with me? Who's holding with me? Because I ain't selling. Because I ain't selling, baby. Here come the out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. We got a ton of shells come out of nowhere. Look at this. Everyone's holding. Holding, holding, holding. $53 seconds. All right, here we go. 30 seconds. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4. Here comes closing bell, guys. Closing bell. Look at these dark pools. 150K on AMC. Here comes the big orders. Where are you at? There was earlier this week. There was a couple for like 1 million. Even last week on Friday. Here comes a 6 mil order. That's what we're waiting for. I'm not trying to miss it. If I miss it, just let me know. Closed at 902. That's what I'm thinking. That's why I'm still a little confused. There's a lot of numbers out there. It makes no sense how they can have more shares. Where'd it go? Where the shares available? Even with the short interest, how can it be 200, nearly almost 200%? We have the FINRA short interest report out today. FINRA short interest report out is today. Again, take it with a grain of salt. GameStop themselves on the 10K state. A lot of this info out there via whatever websites, third parties, it can all be wrong. It can all be wrong. But I don't know. That's beyond me, man. Yeah, out of nowhere, a lot of hedgies just came in here. We got a lot of trolls out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. I'm gonna plug in our Discord, guys. Catch me there after hours. Hopefully later on the video we have coming out later for you guys. Hopefully you guys are able to find it or get notifications at least. I know I'm working with some struggles right now with YouTube. I don't know why they shadow banned us, but most likely because of the copyrighted music. I think that's what it is. We'll stay here a little bit after hours with you guys. I have shares, not calls. I don't do options anymore. The short sell restriction rule doesn't really exist. I do have Tesla, yes. Small position though. YouTube doesn't like that. YouTube does not like that. Still pulling back after hours, 118. My positions. There we go. These are all my positions. Down 5.4K on the open. That's him, right? That on Twitter? The Josh guy? Is that Pixel? But is that him on Twitter? Let's check Finto really quick before we sign off. No update. Hey, Pixels, Twitter. I think you guys are confused. Honestly, guys, I think you guys have the wrong Josh. I think that's not him. I think we're talking about two different Joshes here. That's what we're waiting for. Narrow energy. That's what we're waiting for. Talk about oversold. Look at this. This is oversold here. We cracked SMA. We failed to bounce above that, rejected at EMA, but I could kind of see the head and shoulders pattern forming. Even if we bounce like $10 tomorrow, that's a first step right there. 902, yeah, 902 was a close, and 120.34 for GameStop. Be careful, Ralph. You and other YouTubers are threats to these hedgies. They talk about being too big to fail. They won't go at anything. This you could have added so many indicators on this, think or swim. Some I don't even know what John Carter studies are. I don't know what that is. Keep it simple. Keep it stupid simple. Why complicate it? But if it works for you, by all means double down, go for it. There's another block. There is another block of GME 25,000 at 120.34 and 150,000 at 902 on AMC. What's going on with the market? Everything took a dump, guys. Everything literally dumped today. Nasdaq red, Tesla red, Apple red near the lows. Yeah, same time around last year, mid-March is when we really took a big dive. Tesla, it's a curse. Tesla. I'll see you tomorrow, Jeff. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you, Bill. Let's take a look. Portnoy. Oh, I can't show this. Paper paper hand Portnoy, man. Um, I'll have a video out for you guys later on the channel. If you guys are new here, we live stream every single day, Monday through Friday and Sundays. Bitcoin also poo-poo on a stick. So if you guys find any value in that, hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys out. I'll see you guys later for another video, and tomorrow for another battle. I ain't leaving. I don't go to Wienerschnitzel. So Wienerschnitzel was disgusting. Oh, giveaway, PS5 giveaway. Yeah, that too. We're giving away 2 PS5s, so you could check that out in the description. 2 PlayStations. Damn. MGS. So first comment on the video that comes out tonight, you win. Free AMC gift card or 25 bucks. So as painful as these drops are, man, I'll leave you guys with Kramer.
We like the stock. We like the stock. We like the stock. Yes, we like the stock. 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 Yes, we like the stock. We like the stock. We like the stock.
If I did not sell at 200, why would I sell now?
We like the stock. We like the stock. Yes, we like the stock.
GameStop.